This is the part 2 of the videos of the build of the new APEX DC by ImpulseRC. I used the parts described on the first video. The main difficulty was to squeeze the electronics. The 4 screws are not perfectly matching the 30.5mm design. I still need to find the best way to secure the flight controller and keeping a narrow build. I have decased the air unit, which fits perfectly in a 3D printed bed. Because of 6S, I have used a voltage regulator which fits neatly under the DJI camera. I have enlarged the hole on the top plate so that the battery wire can pass through, keeping enough space on the front to fix the GPS. To keep the antennas more rigid, I used an empty tube of a roller pencil. And here is how it looks like before its maiden first flight. This is the view of the FPV camera recorded by the face mask. First thing to see is that the blades are not in sight, thanks to the dead cat style frame. With the default PIDs of EmuFlight version 0.4, the flight behaviors seem very neutral. I feel a tiny bit of prop wash to be corrected in the PIDs, but as is, it's already a good freestyle machine. Maybe in the future I will switch to Betaflight 4.3 when the official release will be available. 6S gives a lot of power, although I experiment few sags via the telemetry. Maybe this is because the batteries are brand new. I'm testing the HQ Prop Ethics S5 propellers. I will need to compare different types of props, as with this current setup I have 5 minutes of flight time with 1100 mAh batteries and without flying aggressive. But overall, I'm satisfied with this APEX DC build. Of course, I will continue improving it, so stay tuned.